I like it because on my wardrobe I can just, you know, wear anything with it and be on the go. Yeah, I will definitely see you again. And here's to, oh guys, thank you so very much again for 100 subscribers. Yay! Cheers! Hi guys, and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. So today we are in the kitchen, you guys. I am cooking dinner and I didn't want to make this video any longer than it should be, so decided let me just do a voiceover and a time lapse for the cooking part. But yeah guys, please don't forget to smash the like button and also to subscribe if you haven't. And yeah guys, please do enjoy. Hi guys, and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. So I just want to do a haul, you guys, and I don't know what else that I'm gonna be doing or put this haul into, but one of the things that I have been doing lately, I'm actually so tired and exhausted. I had to get my slab for my shed laid, and I'm just gonna insert a clip of me, you know, just doing the box for the shed, and maybe when the guys were already throwing it, because I eventually got help from the guys that I hired the machine from, the concrete mixer. I hired it from Coastal Hire just for the day, and but yo guys, that thing is really taxing on the arms. And but yeah, because I was helping, I told them that I will be helping so that, you know, the price doesn't go, but I can also have some caching for DIYs and stuff. So yeah, but I actually want to also do some editing and maybe enjoy a nice bath. And what else? Do some masking in my face. Yeah, that's just it, you guys. I don't have much to be doing. I have been doing quite a bit lately, and I'm so exhausted, and I feel like I need to slow down a bit before spring starts, because in spring I have quite a bit of projects that I need to either overlook or get them done myself. So now, because winter is almost over, I really need to slow myself down and just build up some more strength for the oncoming for spring. So yeah, but the whole we're here for the whole. So here I have these socks. I love them. Well, first of all, I love the fact that I found them to be different. And since they are something different and something I've never seen before, they were 30 bucks. By the way, I went to Mr. Price and for Shini for this haul, is just for both. I like the fact that they are something that's quite different. But for me, as a person that has, you know, big legs, these are perfect on boots. When wearing boots, they just slide in with ease. On when you're wearing jeans, you know, when your jeans, they get tight there at the bottom when you are busy wearing them. These ones, they just go. That is something else. I think I'm just gonna go back and grab a couple more. But yeah, I don't know what's the writing on them. I don't really care. The only thing I care about is how, well, the first thing I cared about was how cute are these, and then the ease after trying them on and wearing, trying on my jeans with ease and wearing my boots as well. I was like, I'm sold. I need more of these. So yeah, that's the first thing. And the second thing I got from Mr. Guys, am I the only one that, well, maybe it's different for people that stay in big cities and then you go to a shop and you have to buy a bag, especially if you are carrying a smaller purse, and then, you know, but buying bags for this too, when, especially for me, as I live in a small town and my car is parked right in front of the store, so I just walk out like this with my things like this. Is it weird or am I weird? I just don't like the whole thing of plastics and stuff. At least with paper bags, I can reuse them in my garden or in my compost heap. But really, this, I know most of the shops that we shop in, we're using plastics. But when it comes to something this small, I just walk out with the thing in my hand. But yeah, I need to get myself more and more black denims. They are in a size 36 and they were 229 rands, and this is my second pair, you guys. My other pair of black jeans, they are so worn out, like cray. They look like crazy. So I was like, wow, pair of black jeans, I need me some more. So I'm definitely gonna be grabbing me a few more black jeans, denims, whatever you wanna call them. And then from Foshini, I got myself, first, my husband likes me when I'm wearing white dresses. So I asked him, I actually sent him a photo and showed him this dress from Foschini. It's more of a maxi dress. I don't know if you guys can see. All white. So it's like this. It's got these straps there on top, and this is the dress. I love it so much. It's so nice and thick, and this with a beautiful, oh my gosh, this with a beautiful summer hat now with the coming summer, with a hat, nice pair of sandals. But he loves, if he sees a white dress, he just go like, you might need this. He just loves me white dresses. So I got me this one. When I grabbed it, he was like, yep, get it. He wasn't even there, so I just sent him a photo and said, I saw a white dress, Daddy. And he was like, you can have it. And I said, well, there's other things. And I was like, yeah, just because of the dress. So the dress was $4.99, but I think one of these days this dress is gonna be going on sale, because even the lady, when I was paying for it, she first checked that if it wasn't already on sale, and unfortunately it hadn't gone on sale. But they didn't have a lot of them, and she said it might just go on sale. But this was the only medium now. So this was the only medium. This is how the bottom of it looks like. If you, maybe if you know, you couldn't see, maybe when I was trying to show, cause yeah, but that's that. And then I also grabbed this bag. I love the weaving on it. And this bag was $2.99. I like it because on my wardrobe, I can just, you know, wear anything with it and be on the go. Plus, it also comes with the strap, so I like that. Hands-free when shopping or with kids and all that. So yeah, I do love it. It's just on the inside, it's just, there's nothing really. It's just, there's not even a zipper on the inside, but I'm not worried so long as I have my lippies here and my car keys and my purse. With my cards, I'm all set. So nothing to worry about. Plus the fact that with the, I don't know if some of you may or may not know that earlier this year I got a new car, the Urban Cruiser. I was driving the, what do you call it, ENQUIRIES. I love that car. It was my first ever brand new car, that ENQUIRIES, and I fell in love with it. I named it Gugu, and this was Wenzile. So I love that car so much. But my husband said, you know, if we're gonna be traveling a lot, we need one that is automatic, and one with cruise control and all that. I haven't even taken off some of the plastics, you guys. So yeah, but that car, the only thing that, one of the things that sold me on the car was the fact that now when I'm maybe, say for instance, I'm busy juggling kids and shopping and all that, or if, say for instance, I'm in these big malls and I'm feeling like someone is busy following me or something like that, especially if I'm not carrying much, I can just, you know, click on the door and not juggle with keys, start looking for keys and start, you know, fiddling with the door, trying to, I just go like click, I'm in, I push start, I'm on the move. So that's one of the things that I do like about that car. And the last thing that I got was this jumper. It's a nude. I love it. Sorry about that. I love it. I love the fact that it's got that, you know, just the back of it. Sorry about that again, you guys. So this one, I am definitely gonna be rocking it. And maybe it feels like rain. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so cold this weekend, you guys. And maybe I'm just gonna be like, you know, because I don't know when I'm gonna slot this haul into a video, because I don't know if it's enough to make a haul, just this small stuff. But maybe if I slot it into a video, it's just gonna be that. And then maybe, just maybe, I would have worn or any of the items here. But I'm thinking maybe these three, not the dress just yet because it's cold. Maybe I can rock those, and you guys can see them on this video. But yeah, it's already starting to rain, and I want to edit a video, and also to maybe once that is done with the editing, because my kids are busy watching a movie right now, and they've already had their bath. It's not late, but they've already had a bath, because I said they must, if they want to watch a movie, they must just go and have a bath first, and then, because I also want to have a bath tonight, so maybe I can just soak myself and all the stress away. But yeah, guys, I have put myself in the back seat for my kids' sake, but since the girl is turning 14 this year in September, I think it's time. This 3 employers of mine, they take the back seat for a change, and then I can just be able to, you know, treat myself instead of like thinking of them every time. Because every mother would tell you, if they must go to a shop and with the aim of, you know, just getting something for themselves, it ends up being about the kids, and then you just walk out with not even one single item. But me, I'm just gonna be very, very selfish this time around and put my kids in the back seat, because I do a lot for these kids, you guys, and I have really neglected myself. So they go into the back seats, because you know what they say about girls in their 40s, ne? It's time to bring sexy back. So I'm definitely bringing sexy back, and I'm gonna be, if I walk into a shop, that switch, when I touch something for kids, I'm gonna be like, girl, you're 40, take something for yourself, be selfish for once. They always get a budget for everything, so I'm just gonna be doing that. But yeah, guys, enough talking, and cheers. I will see you again. I don't know when doing what, but yeah, I will definitely see you again. And here's to, oh guys, thank you so very much again for 100 subscribers. Yay! Cheers again. And this is now cheers. I'm on a road to 40, just one more month, and my girl is 40 years old. So yeah, cheers. Bye guys.